also younger manjaris?
Excuse me?
You said the manjaris are 12 years old.
12, 13. Nanga Manjari is not a manjari. She's only a manjari, a name manjari. There's also a Kandharpa manjari. There's a Saki named Kandharpa manjari, but she's not. She's a Saki. She has the name manjari. She's not a manjari. She has conjugal lilas with Krishna. Manjaris never do. She has a kunj in the middle of Radha Kund, Nanga Manjari kunj. You can read Radha Krishna Ganadesh Deepika. He describes different types of Sakis. He says these are Parama Preshta Sakis, and these type of Sakis are called Vara Sakis. And Vara Sakis, it's right there in the English and the Sanskrit. Radha Krishna Ganadesh Deepika. Rupa Goswami says Vara Sakis like Ananga Manjari, he lists different ones. But then later after discussing, he said there's another type of Saki called Manjari. They're called Pran Sakis or Nitya Sakis. So she's a Vara Saki. So there's Varishta Sakis, and so it's confusing because she has the name Manjari, and people think Ananga Manjari is like a Manjari. She not in Tattva, not in Ras. She's not. Oh, your name is Manjari. So it's confusing because in Yoga Pit Dhyan, there's eight Upasakis. One of the Upasakis is named Kandharpa Manjari, and she's a full Saki. She has a kunja and she enjoys with Krishna.
My question was more, are there also younger manjaris? Because you said 12.
They can be 11, 12, 13.
But not younger than 11.
What? I guess I've seen 4 different Siddhartha charts, and the youngest age I saw was 12. 12 1 month, 12 2 months, like this, Anyway, anything's possible. But too young, then they're too young. I mean, they're prepubescent. They're prepubescent girls. They're almost flowering, so they're too young. They're not even. It's not even a bud yet. It's not even appeared as a. They have to be, it's a budding girl. Something looking almost like a full-grown woman, but not quite. So 11 is pretty small.